Today Kaylee's 3 months and it's Thanksgiving. We're at Mama's house. And she's playing with her toy. Pressing the buttons all on her own. Boop. With her Mimi. Hey, honey. Do you love your toy?
Press it. Press it. Come on. Press the button.
Uh-oh, it flipped over.
Oh.
Oh. Hi, love. Do you see Mama? That's a big girl.
What you doing?
You trying to stand? Ooh, some
That's what you doing. I had a feeling.
That's Mama's sweet potatoes and turkey coming out of her.
She was making a space.